Hello, friends. Let's consider a problem on star delta. Those of you who have already subscribed my channel, it's good. You can see the past two videos. And now let's start with without wasting the time. Let's get into the position and attack this problem. So consider a delta connection of resistors and its equivalent star connection as shown below. So basically, this is a delta connection and these two figures have been given, okay, as shown below. Now what it says is that the delta connection, this RA is scaled by a factor of K. So this all the values, this becomes K times RA, whereas RB, so that means RA dash RB dash becomes K times RB, whereas RC dash becomes K times RC. Now what will happen, okay, if we are doing the scaling here, if we want to reflect this in terms of the star equivalent, okay, the elements of the in the star equivalent, what factor would it be scaled? It is simple. What you will be doing, so this is ABC. I told you like previously. See here I have already drawn without wasting the time. See here I will redraw it for you. So just consider this as RA, RB, and C. So this is your RA, RB. Okay, this resistance RB and RC. Okay, this is in my delta network. So this is my A, B, and C. And just extrapolate here resistor. Okay, this is my this capital C. This is he has written RA. Na, I'll just put it as R1 and R2 and R3. Okay, this is let this be my R1, R2, and R3. When of course my R1 is equal to this RA and R2 is equal to RB and R3 is equal to RC. That's it. Now I told you a shortcut if you want to find that R1, which is nothing but RA, okay, which would be equal to these where it is connected at this node. So at this node, what are the resistances connected? A and C. So R1 would be equal to RA RC into the whole thing, right? RA plus RB plus RC. Now, a simple thing is that he is telling that it is scaled. So we'll put the scaled value of so it would be RA dash RC dash divided by the whole thing. RA dash plus RC dash RB dash plus RC dash. Now I just substitute the values that is equal to KRA KRB, and this would be equal to KRA plus KRB plus KRC, right? So what happens? R1 becomes equal to K square, RA, RB, and K term comes out, and this becomes RA plus RB plus RC, right? Now, so this cancels. So you notice that the R1 value gets scaled by a factor of K, correct? So that means by what factor the star element, corresponding star element will get factored? If the delta element is also getting like scaled by a factor of K, so our star element also gets factored by an element of K. So that was it for today. Thank you very much. Please, those of you who are new to the channel, kindly subscribe the channel.